Imagine this. No more running at 6 a.m. to save a sunbed. That's over. We changed the game. A mobile app, a smart device, and a control panel. The guest picks their spot, chooses the time, adds extras, all in advance from their phone. No stress, no crowds, and the best part, you can reserve your spot from your home, hotel room, or wherever you are. No hassle, no waiting. Each sunbed has a smart device. It registers the reservation and shows the status clearly, available or occupied. Hotels and beach centers, they get full control, live occupancy, usage stats, automated income. Even at peak season, it just works. No paperwork, no manual tracking, fully digital. This isn't just a solution, it's our product. Built to raise the bar in tourism, efficient, smart, fully automated.